When should you change your wiper blades, okay? And some of you are going to have 3 of them. But today we're talking about the 2 on the front of the windshield. A lot of times you'll get some streaking going across there, some noise, okay? Also, just keep in mind that the rubber here, there's the rubber right here. This is called the arm, the type part, okay? But this right here is called the rubber. What you would want to do is just keep an eye on it. Like I say all the time, you can physically see some of these things with your own eyes. You don't always need somebody else's opinion or when to do it. You know. Come on, y'all. You know when you need the windshield wipers replaced. Because they're squeaking, about to fall off. One of them doing like this, too fast, what have you. Pay attention to it, because I'm telling you, it can save your life. Because you definitely want to keep your visibility with your wipers, okay? Again, pay attention. Look at the rubber. If it's streaking across that windshield, making noise, definitely time to replace them.